Hey everyone, welcome to your 5-minute mini resistance band cardio here. We're working on the lower body. If you don't have mini resistance bands, it does not matter. It works even if you don't have the bands. Come into a sumo squat hold, starting now. Sit back into that chair. Make sure you're pushing against the resistance band with the outside of your legs. Keep on sitting back into that imaginary chair. Got Mojo behind me for moral support. And recover. 20 seconds of recovery here. Next up, just watch me for a sec. You're gonna come back into the sumo squat and you're just gonna give me like a little pulse here. A little pulse, that's it. Starting very soon. Set it up. 3, 2, 1. Pulse it down, down. Focus on the down movement. And each time, see if you can just sit back a little bit lower. I know I keep saying that. I need to mentally and physically and verbally say it that to make my body sit back lower and recover. Third move in this set, shake it out a little bit. Taking this up a notch, sumo squat hops in place. Starting in 5 seconds, take it down to sumo squat, and let's hop it out. These are just light hops. It's not about the height of your hops, but about the intensity of how low you go when you land. And recover. Last move on this ladder. Sumo squat reach. So you're gonna come down to the ground, actually touch the floor, and then propel yourself up and try to touch your ceiling if you can. This will be the most intense move of the set. Let's get it. Down and up. Make sure that your feet are still out wide, wider than shoulder width apart, and you're driving yourself up to the ceiling. Almost there. Touch the floor. Keep that chest nice and proud, and done. Woo! Climbing down that ladder, halfway there, starting with the same move. Sumo squat reaches, set up in position. Breathe, breathe. Get ready to go. Here comes Mojo, he's ready. Let's do it. Down and reach. Every time, if you want to, follow your hands with your eyes. Follow them to the ceiling here. Last, 3, 2, 1, recover. Okay, coming down that ladder. Nice little sumo squat hops in place. Drive those knees out. Keep that booty down. Chest nice and proud. Get in position. And let's get it, y'all. Hop it out. If you want to, channel your inner bunny rabbit. Come towards me. Can you hop towards me? You have to get around Mojo to hop to you. And take it back. Take it back. Nice. Nice. Hop around your room. And recover. Woo! Starting right here, just sumo squat pulses at the very bottom. We're not starting yet. Just a refresher, pulsing low. I'll turn to the side so I keep myself accountable for taking it down low into that imaginary seat. Let's get it. Pulse it down. That chest is nice and proud, shining that light onto your side wall here. Keep on breathing is the most important part. And recover. Last move of this ladder, then you'll be done. Simple sumo squat hold. Again, imagine that imaginary chair. Sit back on that chair. Hinge back and keep that chest up. Your arms can be out in front of you. They can be up top. They can be out to the side. They can be on your waist. Choose your own adventure. I like them right out in front of me. And sit back a little bit lower. Hover, hover, hover. 3, 2, 1, and done. That's it for your mini resistance band lower body cardio HIIT training. Well, that was a mouthful. Come back for more 5-minute workouts. I'm Yue. This is Mojo. We'll see you soon.